How to fix Bing chat something went wrong error. So if you want to fix your Bing chat something went wrong error, then what you need to do is just follow this video. So once you go with your Bing chat, and if you want to ask a question or when you want to load up your Bing chat, it can give you the something wrong error. Now first make sure that you are using the official Microsoft Edge browser on your Bing chat. Like in my case, I'm using Chrome. So if you're using like this, then it might be a problem. So you need to open up your Microsoft Edge and then go with Bing, because Google Chrome, Firefox, and other browsers aren't supported when using your picture. So make sure to use your Microsoft Edge for the Bing chat. Now, second of all, make sure that you correctly logged into your Bing with your Microsoft Google account, because otherwise it doesn't work. So make sure that you're using your Microsoft account, which you've joined. You can use the Bing chat to ask questions and make use of this service. If it doesn't fix your problem, then simply clear the cookies from your Microsoft Edge. So after opening your Microsoft Edge, you need to just go with the top right, which has that three dots, and then you can go with settings. And here from left side, you will have cookies option. Here you will have your cookies and other site data, or you can go with clear browsing data and then just simply go and clear your browsing data. And after clearing your browsing data, it can fix your problem. And if this doesn't work, then just give 5 or 10 minutes, just wait for it, or you can just restart your device. And after restarting, try reloading the page or relogging again and try to use it again. And this will probably resolve the problem. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.